Okay, I've got my lithium battery installed, most of it. I don't have a DC to DC charger. I'm not sure I need one. So I got the 3 batteries. My mistake was ordering these ultras. I should have got the minis, but I ordered them. I got 3 of them. They fit. I probably could have fit 4 ultras, but it is what it is. That was just an ordering mistake. All the negatives go into the original bus bar that came with the Tiffin, and then the negative comes over to the Victron shunt, and the shunt comes over into my new negative bus bar, which has all the various loads. See, I've added negative from the solar charger there. That's been added. The solar, we've got the white and yellow original solar prep install 8-gauge wires that go into the Dihul solar disconnect, that going into the MPPT controller, Victron 15085. I think I did 2-gauge wire coming out of that into this breaker, circuit breaker. That feeds, the positive feeds over into the bus bar, which is where the positives from the 3 batteries land. And then this one, there's a 600 amp terminal fuse. I probably should get a class T fuse, but there's a 600 amp terminal fuse that comes over to the main house disconnect switch. I've bought the parts. They haven't arrived yet. I was going to put terminal fuses on the 3 individual ones. I was going to put what? 3, these are 300 amp BMS. I was going to put a 300 amp terminal fuse on them. What else? Oh, from my earlier things, I had wired in my sea level power to one of these terminals with the breakers up here. That is now labeled and wired into, I think it's number 2. That was probably a 10 amp fuse. That was a spare on the DC distribution panel. So yeah, it's number 2 spare. And I can't see it, but the second one, number 2, you can see if that's 10 amps. Got my homemade battery tie down used channel that I use for this roof solar. Just some flat aluminum channel and a box channel go across. Not the best, but it'll work. Some little angle iron to keep it there. And I got a little piece of channel over there just to keep it from actually being against the wall and give me something to tie down. On the automation programming side, yeah, I've got Bluetooth in the 3 batteries. There's Bluetooth in the Victron, the solar charge controller. There's Bluetooth in the smart shunt. And if I step across, I've got my Raspberry Pi right here, zip tied up, that is running myErvin, which is a coachproxy derivative. That I've added, done some coding. It'll be in other posts in the forum, the RV, not RVNet. What am I on? IRV2 forum, where I've got that listening to the Bluetooth broadcast of those devices over there. I haven't yet done the batteries because they just got put in. But it's listening to the smart shunt, it's listening to the solar controller. It's also listening to the sea level tank monitor, which is back in the wet bay back there, and listening to that. And it gets included in my coachproxy myErvin web page displays.